Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. And this time, as you can see, it's for Strange Brigade on the Xbox One. Now, I picked this up purely to play this in co-op with a couple of my friends. So, if you want to check out a YouTube channel with some good gameplay videos that I take part in and a couple of other players take part in, check out Rob85. I'll put the link in the description below. But yeah, we've been playing quite a few games together. Me, Rob, and King Capo. So yeah, but yeah, obviously as you can see, there's the front, Strange Brigade. It's made by Rebellion, who make the sniper games. So that's cool. Side. There's the back, a rip-roaring adventure. It's all about that 1 to 4 player co-op. Install size up to 30 gig. So 35 gig actually. Focus, 35. So yeah, and then inside we just have the disc. So that's going to be it for my quick unboxing of Strange Brigade on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.